Number 12766, Windcom, right turn approved, runway 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2 for Skyhawk 12766, right turn approved.
Hey, good morning guys, Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. It's Mother's Day, and I'm at the airport now, and I'm going to be taking up on November 12766 Skyhawk 12766, and it's a nice calm morning. I got some flowers for my mother, and pre-flight's over. Today we're going to do some pattern work, so I'm just going to get used to flying the Cessna, because the Archer is going to be in the shop for about 30 days. We're having an engine change this summer, so let me start flying the Skyhawk now when it's nice and calm out today. Come along for the ride.
Looking for 55, rotate. Nice smooth takeoff there.
Today, I'm Alpha Kilo Skyhawk, and I'm going to try not to fall in love with this beautiful aircraft.
Climbing out at 90.
First time solo in it.
Happy Mother's Day. Good morning, Hartford. 300 feet. Got to get used to using the trim up front here. It's not like the Archer. Really smooth day today. Here's the bumps. Might have a tailwind going east. 600.
You would think I'm sponsored by the flight deck, right?
Climbing at 2,500. There's our 750 making the right-hander. Super smooth in this Cessna Skyhawk. There's the sun. Block out that beautiful light. What up, son? We love you.
Enjoy Wednesdays with Alex.
Passing over Pratt and Whitney here. Close this vent here. I got the one vent blowing on me.
Skyhawk 12766.
Say again, tower for 12766.
If you're a Cessna fan or a Cessna owner, I'd love to hear your comments about this video. I really enjoyed this plane.
Number 766, did you read that backup radio at all?
Negative. Say again for 12766, please, tower.
I'm just going to give you a count. Number 12766, 12345, how do you read?
12345 766.
Thank you, sir. And how bad was that transmission?
It was kind of choppy, but the last part was pretty clear there, Rick.
Thank you.
I hope you're having a good morning, Rick.
Always on the right side of the grass. A good morning.
Copy that, Rick. I'll talk to you soon. I'll be back.
Alrighty.
Alright, come up 2,500. Level off here. Bring the power back slightly. Look for traffic. Nobody's out today. Trim for level flight. Going into the sun.
This was a super awesome flight. I had two small mistakes, one with the flaps. I accidentally had put too much flaps in, and my pattern entry into the 45 was not perfectly in the center of the downwind.
Yeah, I definitely have a tailwind. I got 150 miles an hour on the ground here. Airspeed indicated is about 130. That's what ForeFlight said today. All right. Windham 250 feet, airport elevation.
Brandon Tower, good track 295, good morning. 10 miles to the southwest, inbound for full stop.
It's a 295 Brandon Tower, good morning. Make straight in runway 2, report 2 mile final. Do you have this uniform?
Yes, it is uniform for 2.
Alright. This is 15 miles. Oh, that's why. I'm on the wrong ATIS. 133. There we go.
The altitude minus 800. Windham Airport, Willimantic, Connecticut. Automated weather observation 1058 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility
Alright, we're calm.
10.
I'm gonna use runway
Scattered 200.
27.
Temperature 07 Celsius.
Alright, so the airport elevation at Windham is 250 feet. Traffic pattern is 1,250. I'm 12 miles out. Don't forget to use carpet on the downwind. 3 seconds per flaps.
I'd love to hear your comments. Do you like this type of content where it's more of a start to finish, real time, or you guys like the time lapse? Let me know.
Make sure I got the right CTAF in there. 122.975. 122.975 confirmed. 144 miles on the ground. Aircraft is trimmed at 2,500. Still don't see the airport yet. Windham traffic, good morning. Skyhawk 12766, 10 miles to the west. We'll be landing runway 27, entering left down for 27 Windham. I think I see it. That might be it right there. $2,500, 8 miles out. Yeah, I think that's it right there. Nav lights on, beacons on, strobes on, lane lights on, mixture still full rich. Short little flight over here. Airport in sight. Off to my 11 o'clock. Windham traffic, Skyhawk 12766, 7 miles to the west, 2,400, descending. We'll be entering a left downwind for runway 27, Windham. Alright, see that road? Alright, so I want to be 80, 70, 80 and 70 are my speeds there. 2,300. Start slowing it down. Windham traffic, Skyhawk 12766, 5 miles southwest, is on the 45 for the left downwind for runway 27 Windham. Alright. I'm at 2,000 RPM, car repeat's going on. Car repeat is on. $1,500. Slow it down. Windham traffic, Skyhawk 12766, 3 miles on the 45 and left down for runway 27 Windham. $1,400. Two miles out. Airport in sight. Windham traffic, Skyhawk 12766, left downwind runway 27 Windham. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
I made a little bit of mistakes there at the flaps there at the end.
There's my 1250. 1 mile out.
Alright, so just for the record, as I was coming here on my 45-degree entry, I watched the finer points, and he touches on where you need to enter the 45 mid-downwind, not where I entered it in crosswind, so keep that in mind there.
Already become a beam. At 1250, speed is 81. Got flaps 1 in. Keep this power setting here. Bring it down to 1700. Watch my speed. I want to be 70 on base. Windham traffic, Skyhawk 12766, entering left base runway 27 Windham. 1, 2, 3. I definitely can't see the runway now with that wing in the way. I got the runway now. 1500 RPM. One, two, three.
When I went to go put my last notch of flaps in there, I left the lever down and flaps 40 came out, act like a speed brake. So here I am playing with the flaps. I kind of gave up on that and I was focusing on landing because that was a distraction for me, but check this out.
Windham traffic, Skyhawk 127.6, turning final runway 27 Windham. Watch the speed. Alright, heels on the floor. Do not touch the brakes. Watch the speed. We're at 69. Cars all the way back. All right, we're down. Do not touch the brakes. All the way back. Am I popping a wheelie? I don't know. Alright, car peak's going off. Windham traffic, Skyhawk 1276, point off on taxiway Charlie. We'll be taxiing back to runway 27 Windham. Alright. Hello, Windham. Oh, we got some little flowery things there. Nice wild flowers on this nice Mother's Day. Nice calm morning. Alright, let's get my flaps up. Alright, flaps are back to neutral. Lean for ground ops.